if we know that a local option exists and we don't have to travel far to get what we need, then that's a good thing. So the way that you really optimize your website locally, specifically for those near me related searches, is that you want to have consistency across the internet into what are called your NAP directory listings. So NAP is an acronym for name, address, and phone number. And here's what happens. When you have a business, your information is published across the internet, whether you like it or not. And sometimes businesses, especially medical spas, they go through sometimes rebranding as an example. So for this particular practice here, like their business name now is 3 Points Wellness, Weight Loss, and Laser Sculpting. So they rebranded themselves to that. But as you can see, when you look at all of these different directories here, even the ones that you've never heard of before, they still do matter, by the way. There are many different variations for how this business name actually is across the internet. You know, if you look at the Bing listing here, it says 3 Points Wellness and Weight Loss. Well, that's different than up at the very top here where it says 3 Points Wellness, Weight Loss, and Laser Sculpting. So the whole idea here is that you start to dilute your trust within localized Google search for those near me related searches, unless you have complete consistency across the internet into every single one of these directories that you see here. And there's actually around 65 of them.